everyone. This is Lynda Woodruff, and I have a message from the European Broadcasting Union, the EBU. I would like to welcome you all to the home of the Eurovision Song Contest 2013, the amazing Friends Arena in Stockholm.
No, it's in Malmö.
What?
Malmö.
In Malmö. You said Denmark?
No, Malmö, Sweden.
Hello everyone, this is Lynda Woodruff, welcoming you all to the home of the Eurovision Song Contest 2013, the slightly smaller Malm Arena. Well, it's cosy, crash boom bang. Last year in Azerbaijan, in Baku, Sweden won with the amazing song Euphoria by Lorraine Lolo, and brought the contest back to Malmö. The city of Malmö has so much to offer, both when it comes to culture and food, like this speciality, the spit cake. It's spit and sugar in a cake. Smells delicious. Also, the south of Sweden has brought the world so many talents. The amazing Anita Ekberg, Slayton, and of course, the Pepsi person. So, to all you Eurovision fans out there, welcome to Malmö, where myself and the amazing Loloi Taloi will see you in May. Goodbye! Bloody hell, let's go to Copenhagen for a pint of beer.